Kings in the Corner, how to play. The object of this 2 to 6 player card game is to be the first player to accumulate 100 points. The object of each hand is to get rid of all of your cards. Distribute the playing chips as evenly as possible amongst the players. Pick a dealer who shuffles the cards without jokers and deals 7 cards to each player. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from their opponents. The dealer flips over the top 4 cards and loads 1 into each of the 4 tabbed stalls face up, then places the remainder of the deck face down in the middle stall. To begin each hand, each player places 1 chip into the chip pot. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, if you have a king in your hand, you must immediately place it face up into an empty king stall. If you fail to do this, you must pay a 3-chip penalty into the chip pot. On your turn, you may play any number of cards or none at all. If you don't play any cards, then you must put 1 chip into the chip pot. To play a card, you must place it face up in a stall, descending in sequence by 1 and alternating colors. Kings are high and aces are low. Kings must be the first card placed in a king stall, and an ace will be the last. As you add cards to the tabbed stall, only the bottom card will be visible underneath the tab, and the remaining cards will stack just below it so you can only see the top and bottom card. On your turn, you may also move all of the cards from a tab stall to any other stall so long as the bottom card fits the numerical and colored sequence. You may place any card from your hand to an empty tabbed stall. You end your turn by drawing 1 card. If the drawn card is a king, you must play it to a king stall immediately. Then you do not draw again. The next player goes, and the first player to play all the cards in their hand wins the round. Every other player puts 1 chip into the chip pot for every card in their hand. The winner collects all the chips from the chip pot and scores 1 point for each chip. Now, gather up all the chips and redistribute them evenly to all the players. Gather the cards and the roll of dealer rotates clockwise by 1 and a new round is played. Continue playing until 1 player reaches 100 or more points. Then they are the winner.